Greetings 3D printing and maker enthusiasts, Captain Kern here. Today we're doing a review on Central 3D's ABS Plus filament. That wine barrel I printed in their ABS Plus brown. It's an amazing filament. As you can see from the time lapse, there was no stringing, no moisture issues. It's a perfect print, especially on my Flashforge Adventurer 5M. I had a lot of fun playing with this filament. It performed exactly as expected. Never had a single issue with it, although, let me step back. There was a slight issue with the winding for the first 3 or 4 winds, but that was easily corrected. Just paying attention ahead of time saved me from having to fix it later. But going through this particular filament, I have printed now with their Starry Black and with their ABS Plus Brown. Both of them are amazing filaments. I would actually, in my own opinion, highly recommend that you get yourself some ABS Plus from Central 3D Printing. Now, to be fair, the filament was given to me. It was shipped to me at no cost just to do a review on, and it was excellent. I have printed with a lot of filament, a lot of off-brand and lower brands just to see how they perform, and the fact that I don't have a lot of money, so I go after deals that when I can. So do yourself a favor, grab yourself a roll of Central 3D ABS Plus, test it for yourself. It's like $17. Go to central3dprinting.com